Second shot, what we're doing is getting people who've had traumatic injury, and form of disability, so cancer patients, spinal cord injury, prosthetic users, anyone who doesn't have that opportunity to get out in the field and do some upland bird hunting. You can see we have a few of our dogs here, and we get those clients paired with rescue hunting dogs that we train, Jordan and I here train, and then we have Brother Moose in the mix as well. These are our main employees. And we get them out for a day of therapeutic services outdoors. We got a natural.
Initially, I was given a 3% chance of ever regaining movement below my neck. Pretty heavy news for an 8-year-old kid whose life revolved around athletics.
Go all the way!
So bird hunting, super exciting. We're on the move all the time. For Chris, we were in a wheelchair doing what's called posting. We'd go ahead of the hunt and birds would push towards us. And then Dusty would point that bird so he goes stock still, and then we're able to get Chris into a position to shoot that bird. Right behind you. We take them with a couple rescue dogs as well as some purebred dogs to lead the way, and we pair them for a day of therapy services.
Come on, Moose!
It's so good for these people to move, like Chris today, our client today, Chris, moving his finger. You know, he wasn't supposed to walk. He was cut here in his spinal cord and he's already moving his finger. He pulled the trigger today. Really just an incredible day all around from everybody.